Hi, friends! Are you ready to draw the sweetest bunny ever? Today we're drawing my Melody. So cute, so pink, and full of love. Grab your crayons and let's start this adorable drawing together.
Lines on paper start to grow. Shapes and shades begin to show. Colors blend, they start to flow, creating worlds I get to know. Sketching dreams with every stroke. In this silence, hope invokes. From a blank sheet, life awoke. In my art, I find my spoke. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every mark cuts like a knife. Drawing my dreams.
Great job drawing my Melody. Now it's time to add some colors and make her super cute. Get your favorite pinks and reds ready. Let's color together.
Red finger here to boot play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Orange finger starts to spin. Purple joins with a grin. Colors dance, what a sight. Emily laughs with delight. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Rainbow bridge, up so high. Jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too. All fingers wave goodbye. Colors shine in the sky. Emily learned and played.
Wow! My Melody looks so pretty with all those colors. But you know what would make her extra magical? It's glitter time! Let's add some sparkle and make her shine like a star. Yay! My Melody is all done, and she's super cute and sparkly. If you had fun drawing with us, don't forget to subscribe to BooBoo Productions and check out our other cute drawing videos. More fun is coming soon. See you next time.